S2E1 group A. Check the black ink with a white cord. D, you're not correct. F, you're not correct. The rest of us are correct. Question 2. Get the black ink out of check by capture. I, you're not correct. The rest of us are correct. Question number 3, get the black ink out of check. B, you're not correct. You fell into the trap. Where you went to, the knight is checking your king. The rest of us are correct. Thank you. Question number 4, check the black king. B, E, F, and D, your time elapsed. The rest of us are correct. Final question, check the black king. Everybody's correct. Thank you very much.